A while ago, when matte filaments first started to come out, I tried a variety from different manufacturers and I just could not get on with it. It was coming out really brittle and under extruded. So I ended up just burning through them on draft prints and stopped buying matte filament. And then recently this one came along. This is the ERYONE Hyperspeed Matte PLA in an olive green colour. So I had a chat with a friend who knows a lot more about tuning printers than I do, and he walked me through the steps of just starting from scratch and tuning for the filament. Previously I was just running it at my usual PLA temperatures, and this stuff needs to be run on a completely fresh profile. So yeah, once I tuned for it, it's actually printing really nice. So it's just a little trinket box I make, nice and solid. Oh, the usual fidget bolt I designed. I've got loads of these. I end up giving them away wherever I go because I print them for testing filament and printers and stuff, and then end up with loads of them. And I admin for the group 3DP Rescue, and that's a bed scraper that I designed. I need to reprint this because it needs to be a much lower layer height. There's a lot of stair step in there, but that's not the filament. It's nice and flexible. And here's just a random array of other bits I've printed in it. This is a case I'm designing for a mini 12864 screen. It's the BTT version. Pretty solid, except where I cracked it along a layer line just now fiddling with it. Not the filament's fault. And another practical print here. This is just a 2-part wire reel. Put it together, wrap wire around it. When you're finished with the wire, it flat packs. So it doesn't take up space, and it's a lot quicker to print than a solid big reel. But yeah, I've got other stuff here that I've printed with it. If I could have got the previous matte PLA printing like this, I would have been over the moon. So yeah, I should have tuned properly. Not something I'm very interested in doing. I'd just like to throw it on the printer and send it. But all of these prints come out lovely. Once I started over, did all the boring bits like flow calibration, temperature tower, all of that yawnsome stuff. So there we go. I shall start exploring matte PLAs again. And that's the ERYONE Hyperspeed Matte PLA. You don't have to have a fast printer for it. It will run fine on a fast printer, but if you tune for it, you can run it on any printer. Just like me, my printers aren't really designed for speed, so yeah, you just need to tune for it. Prints really nicely.